Hey guys, I wanted to hop on and share a little bit take you kind of behind the scenes about the 30-day essential oil challenge. If you don't know, it starts August 1st, and the doors will be closing August 1st. So make sure you get in now at 30% off. The next time it will open will be next year. So now's a great time to get started, especially with back to school and stuff. This challenge helps to create these simple routines, essential oil routines in your everyday life. There are some great recipes, some great essential oil hacks that have been lifesavers in my life. And I wanted to share them with you. So I've been using oils now for about 7 years. And there's lots that I've learned. And so I wanted to share all the tips and tricks with you through this 30-day program, which is why I kind of put it together and why I wanted to do it as a challenge is because I don't know about you, but I love challenges as well. So it's broken down into small bits and pieces, into bite-sized pieces that you can start incorporating into your life right away. So I love this challenge, and like I said, if you haven't, go ahead and I'll leave a link below where you can purchase it and learn more. But I'm going to right now take you behind the scenes of the challenge. So when you first enroll in the course, you will get immediate access to the 30-day essential oil challenge guide. So this has everything that you need in it, and it breaks it down very well for you. There are 30 days, and there are some inspirational quotes and encouragement along the way, a little welcome from me, a table of contents, and a couple of other things. So you get this 50-page guide right away, and then after you enroll within 24 hours, you get access to your course. So as you can see, it's structured in this course area, and it's so easy to go throughout the lessons. So you have a welcome, and then you have all of your modules or weeks over on this side. And then, of course, you have the bonuses right down here. And then I also don't want to forget your special bonus that you get when you enroll, which is, let me find it for a second, this essential oils planner right here that you get for free when you enroll in this challenge. You get this digital planner for free. So love this planner. You've probably seen me using it, but like I said, I just wanted to give you a behind the scenes peek at what's all entailed in this challenge. And then you also get access to a Facebook support group where we all are and where we can support each other as we go throughout the next 30 days. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And other than that, I look forward to seeing you in the challenge. So I quickly wanted to give you also a behind the scenes of the digital planner. So this is the undated version of the digital planner that you get when you enroll in the 30-day challenge. And I love this daily plan section here. It has everything that I love. I actually created this specifically for me, and then people just kind of asked for it and asked what I used, and so that's why I decided to add it to here. But you just have your top 3 priorities for the day over here, to-do list, and then you have a spot for notes, because if you're like me, so many ideas and everything come to me every day, so I just write them down here. What you're grateful for that day, tomorrow's priorities, diffuser recipes for the evening, and then up here, a diffuser recipe for the morning. And then I like to keep track of my water, especially now that I'm pregnant. I really try to do well with getting my water in, vitamins, and work out here. So this is the monthly kind of version. Now, like I said, it's undated, so you can use this year after year, and you don't have to worry about buying another calendar for that calendar year. So that's what I love about this planner. Obviously, you have January through December. You can't really see it. It's kind of down in there. But There you go. You can see it right there. And then you have your, obviously, click to get to your daily plan. You have a spot for stickers if you want to get some of those. I know I love kind of getting some cute stickers. There's some good places on Etsy that you can get and kind of keep in your planner to use as well, but that's a little bit more advanced. So if you've been digital planning for a while, definitely check that out. And then also a spot for your essential oil recipes right here. So I love this planner. Just such a great way to kind of get started planning, keeping track of all your recipes, and then actually you swipe over for after every month. So you have your January, and then you swipe right, you have a weekly to-do list as well. So you can just kind of keep track of everything you want to do. So that's the behind the scenes of the Essential Oil Digital Planner that you get when you purchase your 30-day challenge. So I'm going to leave a link in the comments where you can learn more about the challenge and the planner, and let me know if you have any questions. I hope you guys have a great day.